Hi CordaRoys family! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to assemble your outdoor beanbag. First, let's unpackage your new beanbag. It's important to understand that the foam will feel and look flat once it's been removed from the packaging. While you can begin using the beanbag as soon as the first day, it can take 3 to 5 days to fully fluff up depending on the size you purchased. Next, and this is easier with 2 people, you'll place the bed inside the cover by following our 4 simple steps: taco, sock, rotate, bounce. One person will hold the cover while the other folds the insert like a taco. You'll both slip the cover on like a sock, rotate the taco onto one of the tips, and then bounce to let gravity do the work. Turn the beanbag upright and enjoy in all your favorite outdoor places. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team.